marketplace location to another country, an essential skill for those who want to explore listings in different areas or actively seek items while traveling. Let's dive in and make sure you have the best browsing experience across borders. First, you'll need to visit the Facebook Marketplace, which is accessible through your Facebook account. You can get there either by clicking on the Marketplace icon, which looks like a little shop front on your Facebook homepage, or by navigating through the menu options if you're on a mobile device. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar layout with various categories and listings based on your current location. Once you have opened the marketplace, it's time to adjust your location settings. Look towards the upper section of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Location. Select it, and this will open up the location menu, giving you the flexibility to choose a new area. This option is key to discovering items in different regions, especially useful if you're planning a move or just curious about what's available in other parts of the world. Next, you will need to enter the specific city, region, or country that you're interested in. To do this, simply type in the name of the location where you want to see listings. As you type, Facebook may offer suggestions to make this process even quicker. This feature is particularly handy, ensuring you enter the location correctly and gain access to the local marketplace listings you are interested in browsing. After you've set your desired location, it's helpful to adjust the distance or radius to refine your search. This setting allows you to control how far out from the entered city, region, or country you wish to see listings. If you're looking for something very specific, like a unique piece of furniture or local artwork, you might want to set a smaller radius to only get results close by. On the other hand, if you're open to a wider search, expanding the radius can show additional options, including nearby towns or cities, which may have what you're looking for. And there you have it, an easy and straightforward method to change your Facebook Marketplace location to another country or city. By adjusting these settings, you can explore a wealth of products and services worldwide from the comfort of your home. Don't forget, exploring different locales can open up exciting opportunities for unique finds and deals. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy browsing as you discover new treasures from all around the globe with just a few simple clicks right on Facebook Marketplace.